And welcome to another episode of Homescape Realty. Today we are here in Tahanan Village, Parañaque City to show you this 3-story modern tropical home. But first, click subscribe and follow us on our social media accounts. And please visit our website at www.homescaperealty.com.ph for complete property listings. Let's begin our tour. For the orientation of this property facing southeast, at my back you have your front yard garden. So to add some welcoming vibe in this space or in this house. On the left side, by the way, you can also notice na wala tayong perimeter fence in front of the property. Well, it concerns the security of this subdivision. Well, we're here as your broker to tell you that the security of this subdivision is very tight, sobrang higpit talaga, hindi kayo makakapasok without any advice from the existing homeowners of the subdivision. Okay, so we have 24 hours for the stationary guards or station guards dun sa main gate and secondary gate, and ganun din with the roofing guards. So ito yung inyong facade ng inyong property. On my left side, ito yung area ninyo for your 2 to 4 vehicle carport. Well, depending on the size of your vehicle. For the flooring, granito tiles with matte texture para non-skid sa mga sasakyan ninyo. On top of this carport is the male staff quarters. And on the left side, ito naman yung magiging service area ninyo with your canopy on this side of the property. Well, we will show you that later. And we have another security gate going to another side of the property, Ayan, we have that spot there. Mamaya papakita namin sa inyo. Again, your side garden, your front yard, your covered porch. 4 steps up dito sa inyong porch, you have your canopy and extended metal frame for additional cover or canopy in this area na para hindi kayo mabasa if you have your visitors to entertain in this area, if you want to preserve the privacy of your home. Well, depende sa inyo. So we have this covered space, covered from outside elements. Lots of natural light coming from your fixed window and awning windows in front of the property. And your solid wood main door with your modern door lock. Pasok tayo and welcome to your home. Okay, so as we enter dito sa inyong main door, you will be welcomed by an open layout design dito sa buong ground floor. And ang ganda ng natural light in this space dito sa buong ground level because of the surrounding tall windows in each side of the ground floor. Ayan. So lots of windows. And by the way, for the frame na ginamit nila, these are high-grade PVC with tempered glass. Okay, so dito sa inyong living or your receiving area, you have your cove ceiling with provision for your chandelier. Cove ceiling din, ang ganda, It adds some warm and cozy vibe in this space. So in this area, pwede yung mga malalaking furnitures nyo in front of your television set. And you also have the view ng inyong porch or your balcony facing in front of the property. By the way, for the flooring, porcelain tiles dito sa buong ground level with matte texture. Ganda ng space, So imagine you have this entire space symmetrical dito sa inyong cove ceiling. Ayan. So pwede nyo pang hatiin itong area na ito from your receiving to living space. Well, depende sa inyo, Ang dali laruin nung interior design ng property because of the neutral colors for your painted walls. Ang dali mag-adapt dun sa kung ano yung type ng interior design na gusto ninyo. Okay, so coming from your living or your receiving space, dito sa dulo is itong inyong dining area. Again, symmetrical to your drop ceiling design. It can cater up to 8 to 10-seater dining table. Again, with provision for your hanging lights or a chandelier. And in this area, surrounded by these huge windows and sliding doors, with an access going to your lanai area. Ayan, para mas maganda yung inyong cross ventilation in this space. We also have this screen. Ayan. Kaso medyo maingay lang, may nag-grass cut sa other side ng lot. So ito yung inyong side garden coming from dun sa front yard garden ninyo. All throughout. So for this property, we have your single detached home. Ang ganda ng cross ventilation. As you can notice, no, maganda yung hangin in this space. Ganon din with the natural light sa loob ng property. Coming from your lanai area, your dining, and your kitchen. We also have your breakfast nook. Para if you have visitors with you, pwede nyo silang i-entertain in this space while preparing for their dinner, lunch, or informal dining yan. So, pwede nyo gamitin yung space na yan. So, for our kitchen, your U-shaped counter, lots of food preparation space. And for the counter, your marble green design, ganun din with the backsplash. We also have your integrated appliances. Itong inyong gas burners together with your induction cook hub, your range hood, and your oven. What I like in this area, no, ang laki ng allotted space for your kitchen. Kunyari man, you have your heavy cooking. Marami kayo nagpe-prepare in this space. Talaga ang ganda ng triangle method. Coming from your refrigerator, going to your counter, your gas range, and your sink. Ang ganda ng allotted space in this area. And by the way, for the storage or base and hanging cabinets, ayan, so we have your modular cabinets with soft close hinges and soft close drawers para sa inyong mga cutleries and utensils. Ayan. So, talagang gagamitin nyo na lang. Okay, so lots of natural light coming from your sliding window. And for your dry goods or canned goods, mas madali mag-organize ng inyong canned goods or dry goods because of your huge cabinet, floor to ceiling. Ayan. So, push latch cabinets. Okay. So, bago tayo umakyat sa itaas, tingnan muna natin yung first bedroom dito sa ground floor. Okay. No? Di ko nabanggit kanina, no? Fronting dito sa inyong living or receiving area. If you have elderlies with you, perfect spot ito for them, or maybe as kids room or a study area. Well, depende sa inyo. So, ito yung magiging location ng inyong bed frame. You also have your cove ceiling with provision for your hanging light, the location of your television set, and for the flooring, laminated board with wood grain design. And your common toilet and bath, which is adjacent dito sa inyong bedroom 1, with shower space, with enclosure, and your water closet with your lavatory then. Okay, so let's go up. For the stairs, solid Nara for our staircase and metal handrails. You also have cove lights in this area para mag-guide kayo at night, no? Parang ano lang siya, no? Ganda nung bato ng ilaw lalo at night. Here's the second floor. 3 bedrooms with ensuite toilet and bath each, and itong inyong magiging family area. For the flooring, laminated board with wood grain design. And this is the location of your television set. Nandito na rin yung inyong wires para sa provision ng inyong CCTV cameras. Talagang unit na lang yung bibili nyo, and modem. You also have your window. Allows natural light dito sa inyong family area. Okay, ganda rin ng kanilang mga accent light dito sa second floor. So tingnan natin ito, and this is your bedroom 2. Okay? Your bedroom 2 or your master bedroom. The location of your bed frame, well, depende sa inyo kung saan nyo gustong ilagay, no? Pwede rin dito kasi you have option para sa inyong side table with electric outlets. Ayan, mamimili na lang kayo on which side. Lots of natural light coming from your floor-to-ceiling window. Again, these are PVC with tempered glass. The location of your television set with your shelves. And ito naman, pwede nyo paglagay ng inyong vanity area. You have your shelves. And this door going to your walk-in closet. Ganda ng space, no? Ang luwag. So you also have this area para sa inyong water closet, your under-mounted dual sink, Kohler brand, and your shower space. And this area, ito naman yung magiging walk-in closet ninyo. Lots of storage space para dito sa inyong mga modular cabinets. Ayan. Okay. Your vanity area, and you also have this is space para naman sa inyong bags or shoes. Daming space, oh. So we also have itong mga cove lights para sa inyong mga shelves, your shoes or bags, well, depende sa inyo. But this area, so after nyo makompleto yung OOTD ninyo, diretso kayo dito. Going back to your common area. Okay, so tingnan naman natin yung inyong bedroom 3. Coming from your bedroom 2 or the master bedroom. The location of your bed frame. Windows for your natural light and proper ventilation. Cabinets, floor to ceiling. Your shelves, or pwede nyo gamitin as the location of your television set with your ensuite toilet and bath. Okay. And across the hallway, ito naman yung inyong bedroom 4. Location of your bed frame. Mas maraming windows itong room na ito, kaya lots of natural light. You also have this entire space para sa inyong cabinet for your storage with your console table or shelves, well, depende sa inyo. Your ensuite toilet and bath. Okay. Let's go up. Ganda ng steps nila dito. Made of Nara. Ganda ng staircase. Yung taas. Señorita stairs. Very friendly sa mga kids and elderlies. And here sa attic or your third floor, well, depende sa inyo kung anong tawag nyo rito, we have this entire space para sa inyong living area or your family area. Well, depende sa inyo, But I'm sure this is the favorite part of the house ng mga relatives and friends ninyo. So, pwede nyo itong gamitin as your man cave. Lots of windows on this side of the property or in this side of the property. 4R ceiling, parang barn style yung exposed beams yung kanilang nilagay dito, which is ito yung magiging roof beam. Ang ganda ng vibe in this space because of the wood grain design. Ganun din with our load-bearing na post. Ang ganda, Ganda ng accent na nilagay nila. Fluted panels, add some texture. Ang luwag ng space na ito, So this is maybe your man cave or your family area. And we also have your kitchenette para mas madali mag-serve ng food to your guests or your family. We have this island counter para sa inyong breakfast nook or informal dining area. L-shaped counter. Lots of space for your food preparation. You have itong inyong quartz. Stainless sink. Base and hanging cabinets para sa inyong storage. Also have your LED lights. Your common toilet and bath. So we have your another 2 bedrooms in this level. So total of around 6 bedrooms in this house. So ayan yung gagamitin ng inyong gagamit ng bedroom dito. So this is your bedroom 5. Okay, the location of your bed frame. Oh, ganda ng spot na ito. Pwede kayo maglagay ng inyong couch, your center table, and your television set. So this is your bedroom 5, And across is itong inyong bedroom 6. Ayan, medyo mas simple ito pero mas malaki. The location of your bed frame, windows on either side, the location of your television set. That concludes our open house tour for today of this brand new 3-story house lot for sale located here in Tahanan Village, Parañaque City. If you think this is the right home for you, you may contact us anytime at the numbers listed below the screen. For more details, visit our social media accounts and our website at www.homescaperealty.com.ph. Again, my name is Dean and this has been Homescape Realty, your guide to your real estate needs. Thank you and see you next week.